Hello, and welcome to Popsicle Stick Crafts with Miss Jessica. I'm so excited that you tuned in today. Guess what we're making? A popsicle stick earring holder. Isn't it cute? You need a glue gun, pom-pom balls, popsicle sticks, embellishments, yarn, and scissors. Let's get started. You're going to grab 2 of your popsicle sticks, and you're going to grab your purple popsicle sticks, and you're going to glue them on top as so. Then it should look like this. After you've completed this step, you're going to take your scissors and cut the ends of your popsicle sticks off to make a smooth edge. Now you're going to take your yarn and you're going to wrap it around the ends of your popsicle sticks. Then you're going to take 2 additional popsicle sticks and do the same. Then you're going to glue your popsicle sticks just like so that it'll stand up. Then you're going to glue that popsicle stick at the bottom as the base. Now that you got your base, you're going to glue those 2 sides down as well. Then we're going to add 1 more popsicle stick in the middle to make sure that it's sturdy. Now we're going to grab our pom-pom balls and we're going to decorate. And voila, the cutest earring holder ever. You can give to a friend, a mom, a aunt, or anyone. Want to see me make something out of popsicle sticks? Email me with your idea at jjohnson@mcls.ms. You may see your idea in my next video. Thank you.